Emma Raducanu made the decision to part ways with Frances Roig on Thursday afternoon after just 6 months, as she looks to appoint a 10th career tennis coach. Emma Raducanu is set to temporarily work with Alexis Kanner at the Transylvania Open in Cluj, after parting ways with Frances Roig. The 23-year-old cut ties with the 9th tennis coach of her career to date on Thursday, following a second-round loss at the Australian Open to world number 55, Anastasia Potapova. Taking to social media to share a snap of herself and Roig smiling on the golf course away from tennis duties, Raducanu wrote, "Frances, thank you for our time together. You have been more than a coach to me, and I will cherish the many good times we spent together on and off the court. While we have come to the conclusion together that we ought not to move forward, please know that I am very grateful for all that you have taught me and fond of our time shared." As per the Daily Mail, Raducanu will now work with former pro Kanter for the Transylvania Open, while she searches for the 10th coach of her budding career. It comes as the writing was seemingly on the wall for Roig in the wake of Raducanu's dismal performance at the Australian Open earlier this month. "I end the wake of her defeat to Potapova," the Briton said. "I want to be playing a different way. I just want to hit the ball to the corners and hard. I feel like I'm doing all this variety, and it's not doing what I wanted to do. I need to work on playing in a way more similar to how I was playing when I was younger." Axing coaches has become somewhat of a theme throughout Raducanu's career since she burst on the scene in 2021, having worked with the likes of Torben Beltz, Dmitry Tursunov, Sebastian Sachs, Nick Cavaday, Vladimir Platnik, Mark Petchey, and Roig in recent years. Elsewhere, Jamie Murray was seemingly proven right in his assessment of Raducanu's partnership with Roig, which seemed to be running its course at the Australian Open. Speaking to TNT Sport, the brother of Andy Murray said, "She obviously won some matches, but she had issues getting here late, a late arrival, and how much that affected her preparation. She talked about that. She won a match and she lost a match. It is nothing special, and it wasn't a great performance, and I think her coach came under a lot of scrutiny after that. Who knows? Maybe we will see a new coach in the player's box in the near future."